Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see friend request on BeReal app. So before that, you can see that I have made so many videos on BeReal and it's so easy to use BeReal. So if you found any issue, you can check the videos over my channel. So we have came into the BeReal and let's find out how to see friend request on BeReal. So here you can see an option that is called add friend. You have to click on that and you will not able to see my friends because I have just hide it because of some privacy. So upper side you will see two options, add friends and my friends. So here from add friends you can add many as people as you want to make him a friend, and my friend will be show you that the some friend that you have accepted the request that is already your friend. So okay, so this is so easy to use guys, and this is it. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Okay, and see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.